From the beautiful secret garden, we're having lunch here in the lift. So tingnan mo, there's no people around because they're all there.
No, they're all at home having a beer or at the club.
Yeah. Celebrating. We celebrate our Australian Day in day.
Oi, oi, oi,
Oy, oy, happy Australian Day. Oy, 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 oy.
Yeah, because the shop is closed, that's why.
So we're going here in the lift.
Yeah.
So we're here, hey?
Lucky watched it.
Who did?
Lucky.
Oh, really? Not now? So we're here inside. That's the inside of the restaurant. Hi.
He worked and then kind of like stopped.
So, nandito na kami sa loob. Magkakainan na kami ng lunch. So, magla-lunch na kami. Mga ka-beautiful things. Hi.
Get it done. Aha, look, I have a magic trick.
Love you can night.
Yes.
I have a magic trick.
Oh, what?
There's water in this, right?
Yeah.
Watch. This, I can do it.
Can ready?
Okay, there's water in it.
Yep.
And then,
Do you find it?
Oh, wow. It won't spill.
Put it up again and then on.
Wow. Good trip inside the restaurant. Love eating Asian food.
now it's well
We're not in here, lovely.
Kakain tayo ng bonggang. So after namin sa secret beautiful garden, nagugutom kami. So magla-lunch kami ng apat meal best.
Patio.
Patio?
Huh?
Patio? What is it?
Patio.
Morning glory stir fried, royal sticker rice.
I know, that's one that I got. Oh, probably delete that one.
Presyo ng pagkain.
Mga presyo ng pagkain. Oh, that's it, yeah.
So you want to use it.
Done na. I'm gonna start back on top again. No, this will be fine. Thank you so much. And repeat your order. Yes.
Classic fried rice with chicken, two rice, one morning curry with pork belly,
It's not curry, pork belly with the
morning curry,
Morning glory.
morning glory. Yes, yes. Sorry. Yep.
morning curry with pork belly, and one katsu king corn with shallot,
Yes.
pork belly.
Thank you. And do you have a chili like the sauce, the fresh chili?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can we have like 2 bowls, please? Thank you.
And we're gonna have an afternoon glory too. Morning glory.
Why your camera is blurred?
What's the food? Unlimited rice.
Fried rice.
You come on, dig in.
Yeah.
And that's kangkong morning glory. O, tapos na kami kumain. Tapos yun ang leftover. We're done eating. Riri, you happy?
Yeah.
So, So, natapos na kaming nag-lunch. Ambot na. Yes. Mo gani. This way, ma'am. Madam.
No more gram.
No. No more grumpiness. No grumpiness. So, we're gonna have a bring house too. Kahit saan tayo nagpunta, meron tayong dala-dala. Huh?
The fish market open. Oh yeah. It's not open.
Public holiday. So, we're gonna going back to the car now. Where's Riri? Oh! Watch out the car.
Who's real?
Riri, beautiful Ririana. Oh, the pretty girl among the best. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Oh, we're going to the Asian shop now. So after lunch, happy time na, Rihanna. It's really. I'm not. That's right. I'll stick up to my friend Rihanna. It's not grumpy. Yeah, yellow team. Yeah. Ito na ba yung ako sa kita?
You make the palabok.
This one, the yata dai, the big one. Or this one,
That one.
the yellow.
I already had that one, but I want to.
That's Mama Sita.
They don't have one.
Palabok.
Oh, that's okay. Nakita lagi niya mo na.
Palabok. Hi? Yay. You're right, lady. You're like a young lady now, no? Nom, 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 nom. I don't know what I don't like that.
Got two of the same thing and one.
Binibigan pa.
Kung napalit.
Pwede pa niya. Special pa yan. Especially for you, my darling.
Yes.
What I gonna do?
I know what you could
Gonna get magic syrup for $3.
Oh,
do. Mom has that
When is the expiration of this?
seasoning.
It's not going hot with the expiration anyway because I'm gonna use it every day. Coconut is like
So what's the difference of that?
different flavor. Obi is, you know Obi? Like this, oh? The root crab?
So are they with banana?
Yeah, there's a turun dai.
Yeah,
Coconut.
coconut,
Coconut and
banana with like the taro, the ubi. But which one is with the
Banana with jackfruit.
Yeah, but that is not with jackfruit. This is with the coconut. This is with ubi.
Yeah, I never tried that.
I didn't know. That's new.
Yeah, that is not with the jackfruit.
We'll never try it. We gonna where's that from? So, yan. May turun pala dito na ready-made. Wala ang tempura dahil, no? Mayroon ba tempura dahil? Tempura, wala, no? Wala, ito rin po. Wala tayo. Tempura. Pero,
Ayan, thank you. So we're going home now.
finally, I'm home mga beautiful people. So, sobrang enjoy ko today. Saliat ug laag labong day off kay Happy Australia Day today. So, nag-celebrate ng Australia na. Thank you for watching mga beautiful people. See you on my next